Today we have a 2006 Buick LaCrosse here at the shop because the CD changer seems to be cycling and grinding and not working properly. So we're going to get this out of the car for you today. We're going to start with placing our arm way back underneath the panel below the AC controls. You can use your pry bar along the top of this to help release the two clips, and this will pull this panel forward. Below the AC controls here we have two screws. There's one further on the right over here. We're not going to remove this one. We're removing the one to the left of the one on the right. This is going to help release the AC controls from the front of the vehicle and remove the screw to the left of that one. These are the two inside screws, although there are 4 screws down here underneath the AC controls. This is going to help free up the AC controls. Two screws that drop down. So we're going to attempt to pull and pry the AC controls from the dash here. These will again release with several clips on each side. Pry pressure releases these clips, and this will allow you to pull the AC down and back out of the way. Next, with our pry bar, we're going to pry the top panel back from the top of the car stereo. This also has the airbag sensor light in it. So we're going to hold this panel up while we do the rest of the work. Usually having a little bit of help is helpful as well. We have 4 screws that secure this stereo to the dash. With the top panel release, we have access to one here on the top on the left, a second on the right here on the top. See our website for any car stereo removal instructions you might need, including speakers and some troubleshooting that we do have available on the site as well. We have 2 lower screws for the car stereo that need to be removed, one on the left and a second here on the right. With these 2 screws removed, you can see the car stereo starting to come from the dash. We're going to remove the screws so we don't lose them, have them available for installation. Pull the car stereo forward, and this is going to give us access to several connectors here. The main antenna is a grasp and pull. The second smaller antenna has 2 triggers here, and the remaining third connector has a trigger on it as well. You squeeze these triggers together, it releases the lock, and you're able to wiggle these connectors loose. Now these connectors are all keyed, they go back to one spot, and we have the trigger here at the top on this one, and you can see the latch, and when you push down on it, it lifts the latch to allow it to unlock and wiggle it free. This also goes for the second connector, which is larger. Again, you do not have to key these connectors, they fit back one way only. This one has the lock on the top too, and when you squeeze it down, it lifts and allows it to wiggle loose and come out of the dash. This is how you remove a stereo from a 2006 Buick LaCrosse. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.